The secondary reference electrode contains Hg2Cl2, AgCl, CaOCl2, HgCl2. So this calomel is the common name, in fact, for mercurous chloride, Hg2Cl2. And as you know, normal hydrogen electrode or standard hydrogen electrode is used as primary reference electrode, while this mercurous chloride, where it is called calomel electrode, is used as secondary reference electrode. And therefore, the answer is very clear from the formula itself. Hg2Cl2 is the calomel which is used in making a secondary reference electrode. AgCl, CaOCl2, bleaching powder, mercury chloride are wrong. But what is the half reaction involved, and what is the method by means of which it can be used as secondary reference electrode? So the half cell reaction involved is half Hg2Cl2, which will be in the form of mercurous ion Hg plus Cl minus, and this Hg plus mercurous ion gains the electron, that is the reduction half reaction takes place to give Hg liquid. This is the reduction half reaction involved. So therefore the net reaction involved is this Hg plus get cancelled. We can straight away write half Hg2Cl2 plus electron giving Hg liquid plus Cl minus. For this reaction, the reduction potential is given by the standard reduction potential SRP minus 0.059, the number of electrons involved being 1 log of Hg liquid into Cl minus concentration by Hg2Cl2, the stoichiometric coefficient being half, it will go as the power. Therefore, this is the appropriate reaction involved. That is equal to the standard reduction potential measured against standard hydrogen electrode minus 0.059 anyway by 1 into log of activity of pure liquid is 1 for mercury. So therefore what will be left over is only the concentration of chloride ion to the base 10. And this is Hg2Cl2, whose activity once again can be taken as 1, and hence the reduction potential for calomel electrode depends only on the concentration of the electrolyte. Thus, the standard reduction potential depends on the concentration of the chloride ion in solution phase. If the concentration of chloride, which is taken in the form of potassium chloride, is 1 molar, then it is known as normal calomel electrode. And the standard reduction potential now becomes, for 1 molar concentration of KCl for calomel electrode, as 0.28 volts. And the half cell reaction is represented as Hg2Cl2 in contact with the chloride ion concentration, and the concentration of chloride ion under standard conditions being 1 molar. But to answer the question, all this is not needed. Just mercurous chloride is the basis on the name of which the electrode is called calomel electrode and is used as secondary reference electrode.